Everything you have been told about protein and muscle building after the age of 65 may not be the full story. For decades, the message has been repeated again and again. If you want to keep your muscles strong as you age, you should eat more eggs, more chicken breast, maybe drink a protein shake every morning. Those foods have long been considered the gold standard for maintaining muscle. But what if something important has been missing from that conversation? Recent scientific research has started to reveal a surprising truth. Certain fruits contain natural compounds that can help aging muscles absorb and use protein far more effectively than most people realize. In fact, some studies suggest that when these fruits are included in the diet, the body can utilize protein up to 47% more efficiently. That means the protein your body receives may reach your muscle cells more easily and more completely simply because of what you pair with your meals. Even more remarkable, long-term research following thousands of adults over the age of 65 found that people who regularly included these fruits in their diet maintained as significantly more muscle mass than those who relied only on traditional protein foods. And when you reach your 70s and 80s, that difference can change everything. It can be the difference between walking confidently on your own or needing assistance to get around. The real challenge of building muscle later in life is something scientists call anabolic resistances. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to the signals that normally trigger growth and repair. Even if someone eats plenty of protein, the body may not use it as efficiently as it once did. This is why so many older adults feel frustrated. They try to eat healthy. They include protein in their meals. Yet year after year, they still notice gradual muscle loss. But here is where these fruits become important. They contain unique enzymes, antioxidants, vitamins, and bioactive compounds that can help overcome some of the barriers created by aging. Instead of simply providing protein, they help the body process, absorb, and use protein more effectively. Today we are going to explore 7 fruits that stand out for their ability to support muscle health after the age of 65. These are not rare or expensive superfoods. They are everyday fruits that can be found in most grocery stores, markets, and kitchens. And when we reach the final fruit on this list, you will discover one that researchers found had such powerful effects on protein digestion that it dramatically improved muscle building results in older adults during clinical trials. Let's begin. Blackberries are often admired for their deep purple color and sweet, slightly tart flavor. Many people enjoy them in desserts, jams, or simply as a refreshing snack, but few realize that these small berries also contain powerful compounds that can help protect and support aging muscles. 1 cup of blackberries contains around 2 grams of protein. At first glance, that may not seem particularly impressive. However, what makes blackberries special is not just the protein they contain, but the nutrients that come with it. One of the most important of these nutrients is a group of compounds known as anthocyanins. These are the pigments responsible for the berry's rich color, and they have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation plays a major role in muscle loss as people age. Chronic low-level inflammation can interfere with the body's ability to repair muscle tissue and build new fibers. Over time, this contributes to gradual weakness and loss of strength. Research examining the effects of anthocyanins has shown that they can help reduce inflammatory markers in the body. When inflammation decreases, muscles are better able to focus on repairing and rebuilding themselves. Blackberries also contain a generous amount of dietary fiber. Fiber slows digestion and helps create a steady release of nutrients into the bloodstream. Instead of delivering protein in a quick surge followed by a rapid drop, the body receives a more gradual supply of amino acids over several hours. For aging muscles, this steady availability of nutrients can be very helpful. Another key nutrient found in blackberries is sessile vitamin C. Just 1 cup provides roughly half of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin C plays an essential role in the production of collagen, a structural protein that supports the framework of muscles, tendons, and connective tissue. Without enough vitamin C, the body cannot properly incorporate new protein into muscle tissue. Blackberries also contain a compound known as acelaic acid, which researchers have studied for its potential role in supporting cellular energy production. Healthy muscle cells depend on strong energy systems to perform contractions and carry out repair processes. Because of these combined benefits, Blackberries can be a simple but effective addition to meals and snacks. They can be enjoyed fresh, added to yogurt, blended into smoothies, or sprinkled over oatmeal. Even a single cup per day can provide meaningful support for overall muscle health. Guava. Moving further up the list brings us to a fruit that many people overlook despite its impressive nutritional profile. Guava. This tropical fruit is known for its fragrant aroma and sweet flavor, but it also contains an unusually high amount of protein compared with most fruits. 1 cup of guava provides roughly 4 grams of protein, placing it among the highest protein fruits commonly available. More importantly, guava contains a well-balanced mix of essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein that the human body cannot produce on its own. Among these amino acids is leucine, which plays a critical role in activating muscle protein synthesis. Leucine acts like a signal that tells muscle cells it is time to begin building and repairing tissue. Although guava alone does not provide enough leucine to fully trigger this process, it can work together with other protein sources in a meal to help reach the necessary threshold. Guava is also famous for its extremely high vitamin C content. In fact, a single cup can provide several times the daily requirement. This nutrient supports immune health, improves iron absorption, and assists with collagen formation. All of these processes are closely connected to maintaining strong muscles and connective tissue. Another compound found in guava is quercitins, a plant flavonoid that researchers have investigated for its potential to support muscle performance and recovery. Quercetin has been linked to improved endurance and reduced oxidative stress during physical activity. While it is not a replacement for exercise, it may help muscles function more efficiently during workouts. Guava also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage. Muscle tissue experiences stress during exercise, and antioxidants help the body recover more effectively. Because guava combines protein, antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, it provides a broad range of benefits in a single fruit. It can be eaten fresh, sliced into salads, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed on its own as a snack. Even 1 or 2 guavas per day can make a noticeable contribution to daily nutrient intake. Next on the list are dried apricots, a fruit that offers a concentrated source of nutrients in a small, convenient form. When apricots are dried, their natural sugars and nutrients become more concentrated. This includes protein, minerals, and vitamins that support muscle health. 1 cup of dried apricots contains around 4 grams of protein, along with significant amounts of potassium, iron, and beta-carotene. Potassium is especially important for muscle function. It helps regulate muscle contractions, nerve signals, and fluid balance throughout the body. Many older adults do not consume enough potassium, yet this mineral plays a key role in maintaining muscle strength and preventing cramps. Dried apricots are also rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A contributes to healthy immune function and helps support the cellular processes involved in tissue repair. Iron is another valuable nutrient found in dried apricots. Iron supports the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen through the bloodstream. Muscles rely on a steady oxygen supply to function properly during activity. When iron levels are too low, fatigue and reduced exercise capacity can occur. Because dried apricots are naturally sweet and portable, they are easy to incorporate into daily routines. A small handful can provide energy before a walk or exercise session, or they can be mixed with nuts for a balanced snack. Their combination of protein, minerals, and vitamins makes them a simple but effective way to support muscle health. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is one of the largest fruits in the world, and in many cultures it has long been used as a versatile food in both sweet and savory dishes. In recent years, jackfruit has gained popularity as a plant-based alternative to meat because of its fibrous texture. But beyond its culinary uses, it also offers several nutritional advantages. 1 cup of jackfruit provides around 3 grams of protein, along with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. What makes jackfruit particularly interesting is its digestibility. Studies examining plant proteins have found that jackfruit protein is relatively easy for the body to break down and absorb compared with many other plant sources. The fruit is also rich in dietary fiber, which plays a vital role in supporting the gut microbiome. The trillions of bacteria living in the digestive system influence many aspects of health, including nutrient absorption and metabolism. Healthy gut bacteria produce compounds known as short-chain fatty acids, which researchers have linked to improved metabolic function and muscle health. Jackfruit also contains B vitamins such as vitamin B6 and riboflavin. These vitamins are essential for the metabolic processes that convert protein and carbohydrates into usable energy. Additionally, jackfruit provides magnesium, a mineral involved in muscle relaxation and recovery. Magnesium helps muscles release after contraction, preventing tension and supporting recovery following physical activity. Because of its mild flavor and versatile texture, jackfruit can be used in a variety of ways. It can be added to stir fries, soups, sandwiches, or smoothies depending on whether it is ripe or unripe. Including jackfruit in meals a few times each week can add variety while also contributing to muscle, supporting nutrition. Mulberries. Mulberries are an ancient fruit that has been cultivated for thousands of years. They grow on trees and resemble elongated berries with a delicate sweetness. Despite their small size, mulberries contain an impressive collection of nutrients that support overall health. Fresh mulberries contain about 2 grams of protein per cup, while dried mulberries can provide even more in a smaller serving. One compound that has drawn significant scientific interest is resveratrols, a natural antioxidant also found in grapes. Resveratrol has been studied for its potential role in supporting healthy aging. Some research suggests it may help protect muscle cells from age-related decline by supporting cellular energy production. Mulberries also contain iron, which helps maintain oxygen delivery throughout the body. Adequate oxygen supply is essential for maintaining endurance and supporting active lifestyles. Another unique compound found in mulberries is known as DNGs, which influences how the body processes carbohydrates. By slowing the breakdown of certain sugars, DNG may help support stable blood glucose levels. Stable blood sugar is important because large spikes and crashes can interfere with energy levels and metabolic balance. Mulberries can be eaten fresh when available or enjoyed in dried form throughout the year. They pair well with yogurt, oatmeal, or salads and provide a naturally sweet addition to meals. Avocado. Many people are surprised to learn that avocado is technically a fruit. Unlike most fruits, however, it contains very little sugar and a substantial amount of healthy fats. A single medium avocado provides around 4 grams of protein, along with fiber, potassium, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats play an important role in supporting cell membranes and hormone production. Hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone influence muscle maintenance and repair. Avocados are also rich in potassium, even more than bananas. Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions and supports proper fluid balance in the body. Another important component found in avocados is glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Muscles experience oxidative stress during physical activity, and antioxidants help reduce damage and promote recovery. Avocados also provide prebiotic fiber that supports beneficial gut bacteria. As mentioned earlier, a healthy gut microbiome plays a significant role in nutrient absorption and metabolic health. Because of their creamy texture and mild flavor, avocados are easy to incorporate into many meals. They can be spread on whole grain toast, added to salads, blended into smoothies, or served alongside protein-rich foods. 1/2 to 1 avocado per day can contribute valuable nutrients that support muscle health and overall well-being. Finally, we arrive at the fruit that has captured the attention of many researchers studying digestion and nutrient absorption. Kiwi. This small green fruit may appear simple, but it contains a unique enzyme called sexactinidin that helps break down proteins during digestion. As people age, the digestive system may produce fewer enzymes and less stomach acid. This can make it harder for the body to fully break down protein foods. Actinidin acts like a natural digestive helper. It begins breaking proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids, making them easier for the body to absorb. Research examining meals that included kiwi found that protein digestion improved significantly compared with meals that did not include the fruit. In addition to its enzyme activity, kiwi is packed with vitamin C, often providing more than the full daily requirement in just one fruit. Vitamin C supports immune function, collagen formation, and antioxidant protection. These processes contribute to healthy muscles and connective tissue. Kiwi also contains fiber and prebiotic compounds that nourish beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy digestive system improves nutrient absorption. allowing the body to make better use of the foods it consumes. Because kiwi works directly on protein digestion, many experts recommend eating it shortly before or alongside protein-rich meals. The fruit can be eaten fresh, sliced into yogurt or cereal, or blended into smoothies. Some people even enjoy eating it with the skin after washing it thoroughly, since the skin contains additional fiber. Just one or two kiwi fruits per day can provide a meaningful boost to digestion and nutrient availability. Maintaining muscle strength after the age of 65 is one of the most important factors in preserving independence and quality of life. Strong muscles support balance, mobility, and the ability to perform everyday tasks with confidence. While protein remains an essential part of this process, the way the body absorbs and utilizes that protein becomes increasingly important with age. The fruits we have explored today offer more than simple nutrition. Each one contains unique compounds that support digestion, reduce inflammation, improve nutrient absorption, and help create conditions where muscles can thrive. From the antioxidant power of blackberries to the digestive support of kiwi, these fruits provide natural tools that can complement a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Incorporating them regularly into meals and snacks can add variety, flavor, and valuable nutrients that support healthy aging. Even small changes in daily habits can lead to meaningful improvements over time. And sometimes, the simplest foods in nature hold the most surprising benefits.